To use Markup, we will use the Photos app, which looks like this. If you can't find the Photos app on your device, you can always swipe down in the middle of your screen, then type PHOTOS and tap on the icon when it pops up. Next, tap on the photo you would like to use, and when it loads, tap Edit in the upper right-hand corner. Once the editing screen has loaded, tap on the pen tool at the top right corner of your screen to open Markup. As the Markup screen opens, you will see this toolbar at the bottom of your screen. These are the tools that you will use to mark up the photo that you have added. On the left, you'll see an Undo and Redo button, followed by a few different kinds of pens and highlighters. You'll also see an eraser, a selection tool, and a ruler. On the right side, you'll see the color palette where you can choose the color of your tool, as well as a plus button to add other features, or a ... to control settings. To draw on the photo, simply use your finger or stylus and begin drawing. You can add circles, arrows, doodles, or whatever else you might need. To change the color of the tool that you're using, simply tap the color wheel in the lower right-hand corner and select whichever color you'd like. You can even change the settings of each individual tool by tapping on it in the toolbar. You can choose the thickness of the lines and adjust the transparency or opacity of the color that is going to show. There's even a ruler to help you draw straight lines. Be sure to tap on the plus button and check out the extras that you can add to your markup, like shapes, a signature, and more. You can even adjust your markup settings by tapping on the 3 dots in the lower right-hand corner. When you're finished working, tap Done in the upper right-hand corner, then tap Done one more time to get out of the Editing Photos menu. Your marked up image has now been saved to Photos and you can use it wherever you need. If you ever need to go back and edit the original, you can simply go back to Markup on the same image and erase or edit any of the drawings that you added.